Hi, I'm Chris Sarabia.
And I'm Kristen Wernick. We're here with the California Native Plant Society to help you create your very own native plant parkway.
Now that you've planted your native plant parkway, let's talk about some tips for care. We're going to talk a little bit about pruning, mulching, watering, and other basic needs. To establish your native plant garden, water like you are Mother Nature. Water deeply and infrequently. Soil should become moderately dry between watering so that the roots are not prone to rot. After about 6 months to a year, the plants should be reaching establishment, and you can wait longer between watering. Remember that native plants are adapted to winter rainfall and summer dry periods, so plan your planting project accordingly, preferably before a rain event. A general rule of thumb is to water once a week for the first month, then every other week for the second and third month. By the fourth month, you should only be watering once a month. Watch your plants and make sure they aren't drooping or turning yellow. Overwatering and underwatering can show these similar signs. You may need to dig a few inches down into the root zone of the plant to check the moisture of the soil so you know how to adjust your watering. If necessary, water only once a month during the summer with a deep soak on a cool day.
Mulch is an important element in your parkway. Over time, mulch naturally decomposes and adds nutrients to the soil, and ultimately benefits your plants. Mulch also helps to retain moisture in the soil. Keep a 2 to 3 inch layer of mulch over the soil. You should only need to replenish mulch about once a year. Long Beach Office of Sustainability offers free mulch to Long Beach residents. Check out their website to find locations for free pickup or to see about scheduling a delivery. Make sure to choose 2 to 3 inch wood chips that have a consistent look with minimal green material. If you prefer a more decorative aesthetic, there are many types of mulch available at local garden centers. Avoid synthetic rubber mulches or varieties that have been dyed, as they may contain unnatural materials and chemicals. The mulch you receive with your kit is a natural mulch free of synthetic materials and dyes. Replenish mulch to create a 2 to 3 inch layer as needed. You should only need to do this about once a year.
Healthy native plants have fewer pests than traditional landscaping plants. Learn to recognize good pests from bad pests and practice integrated pest management to help you choose the best pest control method. Remember that a munched leaf is not necessarily a bad thing. It can be a sign you are feeding local insects, like our western monarchs that depend on native plants for their survival. Check out the CNPS website to learn more about pests and how to support beneficial insects in your garden. Native plants require minimal pruning if the garden is designed well and plants are spaced appropriately. If necessary, most trees and shrubs may be pruned right after flowering. Preserve the fruits for decoration or for wildlife. Remove no more than 10 to 25% of live foliage at a time. Pruning young trees can establish good structure later on.
Congratulations on your native plant parkway. Learn more about native plant gardening at cnps.org and lblawntogarden.com.